One the choose is identified. The most effective strategy is to start incredibly small. Instead of resolving to read for an hour every day, a task that feels daunting and overwhelming commits to a micro habits, such as read one page after I pour my morning coffee. The concept, often called atomic habits, focuses on making the new action so easy and quick that it's nearly impossible to fail. Success in small does build accidental momentum and self-efficacy, making it easier to scale up the habit over time. The key is consistency over intensity, showing up every day. Even if for a tiny win, reinforce the desired neural pathways.